Hi guys, today we are going to unbox angle grinder, which is from Black & Decker, 820 watts, and its model number is G720R. Okay, and here are the details. So it has 3-position side handle, then dust seal switch, lock on switch for continuous use. It has cord, spindle, so all these things we are going to check today. So let's see, let's unbox it. Opening it. Okay, this is covered with handle. This is how it looks. This side. Here is the actual grinder. Here we have, okay, so they said we have 3 options for spindle, right? One is this side, one is here on top of it, one is on left. So I think as I'm a right-handed person, so I'll hold it like this, and from left, so this change I can do holding like this, and to do left and right and have more stability, I think I'll place it on the left, because as I am right-handed person. Okay, so let's fit it. So this is how it fits. Yeah, you can see. Right. Okay, then what else comes with this? Okay. So this is the tool. These are the tools. Okay, so I think let's see this Allen key where it fits. So this fits into this screw, and I think you know this screw is to tighten this outer shell. So this shell gives you safety, so when you are doing this, none of the dust particles or any already grinded particles doesn't come or throw towards your hand or towards yourself. So all the things go away from it, away from you basically. Yeah, and if you don't want this and it is restricting some of your work, then you can open this and this whole safety part will come out. Only this will remain. So this is the spindle. So yeah, so I don't have sandpaper now. So if you have sandpaper, then how you have to fix it, I'll show you now. This is called spindle lock. Spindle lock. So you have to click on the spindle lock, then this will not move. Place your sandpaper, then tighten it. I'll show you how to do it. So this is not tight yet because this is moving with the spindle. So I'll click on this spindle lock. You can see. Now this has gone inside, so it is locked. Now I have to tighten this. This is tightened. So here, once you place the sandpaper, it will get tightened. Then release this, so it will be locked. Now to use it, you have to press this button. So this is how you have to hold it, and then press this button and move, dip it inside. Then it will get locked. If you press this at the behind, it will get unlocked. So push it forward and backward normally. If you want to keep it running for a long time, you have to push it down, so it gets locked here. If you wanted to get it unlocked, then click on this, it comes back. So this is about it, guys.
Stay tuned to our channel. Thank you for watching.